Hi, I'm Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert, and in this video, we're going to give you a beginner's guide to using an Imapct driver. So an Imapct driver is essentially a cordless drill, but it is for more durable, hard screwing jobs that you need to do. The idea behind it is that it spins like a drill, but the term impact is it makes a slight impact while it's spinning. And so the real difference on an Imapct driver is you can't just use regular drill bits or fittings that you would use in a cordless drill. You need ones that have this base on it, and this is part of what makes the bit strong for an Imapct. So there's a ring right here that you would slide the device in. See how it pops out when you pull that out? So you pull that out, pop it in, and now it's locked in place. I can't pull it out. And the idea is that when you engage this and you drill, you're going to hear a sound that's very different than a cordless drill because the tool is actually making impact. So for instance, let's say you're building a deck and you're going to use screws to go through the deck boards into the framing below. An Imapct driver like this makes a lot of sense. Many different manufacturers make it. This is a cordless unit. They make these in corded versions as well. And to get the best use out of an Imapct driver is to have all the right accessories. Packs like this, which again different manufacturers make, allow you to have different screw bits, different bits that you can use on the end of bolts, and then even fittings that you can use to use large sockets. So for instance, you could use an Imapct driver to change the tire on your car with the correct bit on there. Really useful tool, very durable, and again, as I mentioned, both cordless and corded versions for those projects where you need a really tough tool. Coming up next, our video on Imapct driver versus Imapct wrench.